Ka Environment Committee jong ka yeng thawaan ka jala ha ka siningkong kalaptha iki bor pnya district jong ka West ka Sales ban Khang Khyrdep no ya borok kasantili Kharkhana ko kibodan ha ka tei ka thain hapo artayo ka nongrim ba ka committee ka Phah Khang Khyrdep ka de hlo ka nongrim ba kiti ki Kharkhana ki penjabo ya ka badru ya ka ler ha ba kren ba kilap thai khubor u chairman ka committee ba SK Sun uloong ba naki arphou Tylli ki Kharkhana Haduh kasantili ki Kharkhana kibodan ha ka thain salang ki ba pen khenyi ki kendon ki bedai bat ka jing penjabo ya ka bat ka ler
Deputy Commissioner ulai ke report ini bana kini ki arpo Tylli tam ki badon ki kot ki sla ki babiang ki balayo ya kini ka clearan na ka single window agency but ke bakam tam ya kini consent to establish but consent to operate ki dei tang lai Tylli kita ki dei karbochem nang ta kini ka shempang but kawai pat Karilingam Cook Industrial Unit. Kiway pat kidang don kabadon niya ka consent to establish kaditang kaway nang talay Tylli kidang apply but kiway pat kim don sla. Di Deputy Commissioner ka meeting ga baladep upen iyengi wa la issue kiti Tylli. Kaway ya kitu kiba layo ya ka CTE la sya iki bakin continue ban sedang ya ki civil works kum manchna ya ki yeng manchna ya ki oven ya ki niki jakasyong jakasa kinong tray but ya kitu ki beladon ka ni ka CTO lightly la sya iki ban operate but iki way pat ki ba empat don ki kot kisla ki dei ban sange no nang ta don sta ka way pat ka kategori ka ba Deputy Commissioner hadin ba ulalek ban inquiry ban khot ikitu ki try ki bachna ikitu ki cook factories ushem ba ki klemon mi te ikitu ru larai ban pensange no ti Henry hadin katu ki sitila Phah nudu umna June mentau snem ti dang don hi ki ba dang sedang ban yard illegally te hakani bangilek inspection mangi ni ki don ki ba ki cook factory ke ba empat yo ki kot kisla ki babiang ki operate bat ki empat yo kot kisla ki babiang ki sedang banchna te hadin kata na ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kala ayangi ya ka statement ha ka ba kala issue ya ka notice for closure in violation of Air and Water Pollution Act ya ki khatsantli ki coke factories haka pratorik jong ni umnai August ti nakaliang committee ngingi ongbek ba the authority hang ni haka biade ban establish ya ki factory po ka state kadai ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board what la ka Commerce Industries Department ka ay ka single window agency katu kadai tang ka approval in principle Henry ban establish pidon kami consent na ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. Teka Pollution Control Board kala ay ka closure notice ye khat santuli ki cook factory ki badan hang te po salang baki day ban stop no sendan. Temene ngila udon lang ADC yang ni ubalawan mi bujuli ka jika jong Deputy Commissioner na kaliang committee ngilong ba hadin bakloi i kini ka notice bala issue da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kaliang jong ka district administration ki ban board i kondon bala ai ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban i kmi den tiru ba ka ni district administration kan stale ya ka ai ka ba ka Pollution Control Board kala ai ya ka closure notice but ya kani ka closure notice ban implement kadai ka district administration bat ngi kime nanti po khat saus ngi ba ka district administration kan pendep ya ka ai ka ba ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kalale
considered illegal construction of coke factories need to be closed down and dismantled because they have not been given clearance by any authority of the government. So since any authority of the government has not given clearance, the State Pollution Board, as per the law mandated and empowered to them, they have issued closure of all these illegal coke factories in the Shalang area. More so, this location of these coke factories have been mushroomed in one particular area called Dorangiri. Now this Dorangiri is a village which is very green, and the green belt of this area is in great danger. The committee observed very strongly and very seriously about the future of this whole green belt. The biodiversity of this whole area will be totally destroyed by the existence of these illegal coke factories. We would like to preserve the flora and the fauna that is present in that area, the habitat which is predominant in that area, and therefore this committee will go strictly and endorse the decision taken by the State Pollution Control Board, and it endorses and supports whatever decision taken by the State Control Board, and hence has given 2 weeks time to the Deputy Commissioner and the District Administration of West Khasi Hills to ensure that the notice issued by the State Pollution Board is complied in letter and spirit.